forge formal registration documents, they should have a national mining license, they should have a Nema license, which must be accompanied with the social impact assessment report. Demonstrate ability to install a way bridge at access points. List of vehicles and lease agreements. Lease agreements of the owner of land. In this case, there is part which is private and there is part which is public. Transport permits for all vehicles listed. Letter of clearance from Department of Environment, Water, Mining, Natural Resources of the County Government. When somebody meets all this, it means when you mine, the mineral must be weighed so that the amount of tax to be determined. And there is a sharing formula between national and the county government, which is part of the law. The conditions are attached here and the details of the statement are here. So this order will have to be complied with, or force will have to be used to make sure there is compliance. Mining area se Kiabiraa chikwarisha mineral called Kaolin. Kaolin mineral ye yatumeka sokoro chicho tiles, chicho ceramic tiles and chicho sanitary wares. You get a very valuable mineral. You have very recommended Ravandi Bago Chabotuko, a year of no wavy, a Kiara Mari, I want to Nyamira. The Roiga, because it was streamline, a Machikabuatiwe, Unabu Enerete, Edindo Montomay Wanjeru or mining. The Ronaldo executive order. You will stop mining. You want the ones you are against it, full force of law will have to be applied. Itanganya karaba komaini, yoba ujwaro chingoro chinenemono. It's dangerous to the community, even school going children. Naenda mabuaga yaro isi waroro, imagine abawe tengo, amaya gako bochori itabantu. Ikiara next to it, Varanero, school, na Kiregento. Ego environment was Singira, Tarava taken into account. Akina Kitota do Tenenia, a Indian interviews with Vachi, the Bake Varana Kana, Ujakawa license in community environmental standards. And that's my Yakor rehabilitation Yakor. I told Anyari Kiara mining. Na Maria Bandoa Nyamira. Yorichi control Rico Gavan. Nana was on me.
How many of you want to go? Would you better come compensated?
Abangin a Wavanyana, Kiara or Mumbo or private, to my nature, actually one of even public land. Abunto Wanjana. And you told Wanjana, Machicons will Kawati, a mining. Will be enforced like any at a time before. You know, these are people who don't follow laws, and it's a cartel. We are going to use even shoot the order to be able to control that degradation and to be able to streamline the sector. Because attached here, which I'm handing over to you, there are conditions somebody needs to meet to be given a license. It's degrading the environment, and they are stealing our minerals without paying due taxes to the county. Because of that, and to allow more consultation and reorganization, I've taken the following action. In exercise of the powers conferred by the 4th Schedule, Part 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, as read together with Section 30 of the County Government Act number 17 of 2012, Gazette Notices number 16/472, and all other neighboring laws. I, Amos Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, do hereby order and direct, number 1, that there be a temporary cessation of all Kaolin mining activities until further notice, to allow the national government and county government fully streamline Kaolin mining activities. Number 2, that all Kaolin permits issued earlier by the County Government of Nyamira are hereby cancelled or revoked. Number 3, that any persons interested in exploiting Kaolin are advised to apply for fresh mining permits upon compliance with the legal requirements spelled out in the Mining Act 2016, Environment Management and the Coordination Act 1999, and all other relevant laws on specified in Appendix 1. Number 4, that the county government enforcement officers, in collaboration with the national government agencies, do enforce this executive order, issued under the hand and the seal of the Nyamira County Government at Nyamira on 30th January 2025. End of statement.
Your Excellency, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, initially we've had such celebration